All right, it's time to do a Survivor's 50. If you want to get a sharpshooter, or if you want to get the weapons for the sharpshooter. So let's see what we have. Jug, Caretaker, Darkstorm, Caretaker, and 18 libs. This is one way to do it. I get very little damage. All right, let's clear out this base. The quicker you attack them, the fewer shots they get. The fewer shots that they take, the less damage you take. So get to the point where they're in the shadow and then kill them. All right, let's go up here and get rid of these guys. You got one right over here that kind of hides. There are the various places where they hide on you. Your goal is just to clean them out. Bring the whole troops up just a little bit further. Just take the strengths of what you have. So let's get rid of this guy. We'll let the Liberators clean him out. All right, that's enough of that. Now we will use the jug. We got to highlight it. Hello, wake up. Hopefully the Caretaker will stay with him. Caretaker can be a pain in the butt. All right, now we got to get this tower to get the fewest shots possible. We're shooting from here. All right. We'll get a couple of shots from the tower, but that's it. All right, that's done with that. Now we got to get rid of him. So we'll take one shot right here. Then we got to go up here and get rid of this guy up here. All right, here we go. Just trying to effectively do it with... Just doing it the easy way. All right. Stay close to the Darkstorm because the Darkstorm shadow will give you protection. That's it. All right. It's quicker to restart than it is to drive all the way back down. So I just restart it. Because the jug and the Darkstorm was so cotton picking slow. All right, let's go back in. Now, as we just clear this side over here and we're done. It's very simple. The first time you do Survivor 50 base each week, you'll get a sharpshooter. Unless you already have as many as you can get. And then all subsequent attacks, there's one right here, so you got to get rid of him. He's sitting right there. They usually hide in the rubble. The subsequent times that you attack, you'll get weapons for your sharpshooters. So let's see what we get. I found it's always more effective if you go directly at the towers or the turrets or whatever, because they generally don't shoot if you go directly at them. And if they do shoot, you get maybe one shot or two. So it does the least amount of damage. Now when these guys come into the shadow, we'll clean them out. All right, this base is just about done. One shot right here to get rid of him so he doesn't do any damage. Boom, that's it. All right, let's take him out. One shot right here. Clearing out these guys. That's it. Now just one shot and it's over. the base is empty. It's literally that easy. Boom, you're done. See what we get. I've got all this stuff. Don't need it. All right, let's send him home and let's see how much damage we got. 32 seconds. Hopefully you can be patient. If you want to quit the video now, you can quit the video, but I'll show you ballpark how much damage we get. It's really not too bad. It's going to be right here. Okay, it's back. 13 minutes. But basically that just means that he took a few minutes. It's just the two caretakers took a little bit. So he's got 6.5 minutes of repair. Come on, finish. And then the other one will have about the same amount of repair. So how much repair does he have? 6.5 minutes. So you get 6.5 minutes twice. The two caretakers. That's it. That's the total damage you get. Okay. See ya. Bye.